Good morning, students. Now here start the major approaches to study geography have been divided in two parts. First, systematic approach and regional approach. Systematic geography and regional geography. Here the approaches to study geography. Here the method of the study of geography can be divided in two parts: systematic geography and the regional geography. The father of the systematic geography is Alexander von Humboldt, and the father of the regional geography is called Ritter. Father of the regional geography is called Ritter. Here we divide this geography. We divide here the study of geography in two manner, with two approaches. First, systematic approach, systematic geography and regional geography. Systematic geography founder is Alexander von Humboldt, and the regional geography's father is the Karl Ritter. The birth of Alexander von Humboldt 1759 and the birth of the Karl Ritter 1769. And death year of both death year of both 1859. Here the same death year of Karl Ritter and the Humboldt. These are also called the father of modern geography. These are also called the father of modern geography. Karl Ritter also and the Humboldt also called the father of modern geography. Clear? The Humboldt travel approx 90,000 kilometer in whole life. In whole life 19,000 kilometer, and the Ritter study geography at the stable that is are called the rest chair geographer. Rest chair geographer ने एक जगह बैठकर क्या किया इन्होंने स्टडी की ज्योग्राफी की कॉन्सेप्ट सारे दिए, तो रेस्ट चेयर ज्योग्राफर. एंड द Humboldt ने क्या ट्रेवल द ऑल दिस वर्ल्ड अप्रोक्स 90,000 किलोमीटर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ईयर व्हाट इज द सिस्टमैटिक ज्योग्राफी एंड what is regional geography. First of all, here the what is systematic geography. Systematic geography. Here particular one element, like here the climate, study of climate in world level, continent level, countries level, state level, district level, and other. Here the take the one elements, like here the climate, like here the hydro, like here the atmosphere. ठीक है. Many type of here one elements, then one element study many different type of regions. That is here the systematic geography. यानी इसमें क्या लिया हमने, एक पर्टिकुलर कोई सा भी टॉपिक लिया, उस टॉपिक के बारे में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, स्टडी कर रहे हैं. और हेयर मैनी डिफरेंट रीजन की स्टडी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक लिया. दैट इज हियर द सिस्टमैटिक ज्योग्राफी. फादर ऑफ द सिस्टमैटिक ज्योग्राफी इज अलेक्जेंडर von Humboldt. इन व्हाट इन रीजनल ज्योग्राफी. इन रीजनल ज्योग्राफी में क्या होता है, इन रीजनल ज्योग्राफी हियर द पर्टिकुलर रीजन लाइक हियर द राजस्थान. ठीक है. लाइक हियर राजस्थान, वी स्टडी अबाउट द राजस्थान क्लाइमेट, राजस्थान सॉइल. क्लियर. राजस्थान क्लाइमेट, राजस्थान सॉइल, राजस्थान मिनरल्स एंड other features other characteristics of the Rajasthan. That is, this type of the study is called the regional geography. Here difference between the systematic geography and the regional geography. In systematic geography we study their climate, particular one element. We will study about the particular one element, and this one element in the many regions. ठीक है. many regions, particular one topic, one elements, and here many type of different region. Study of particular particular element in different type of regions. That is called systematic geography. And regional geography, here the particular region and different type of elements, characteristics. That is called the regional geography. Clear. Next is the branches of geography based on systematic approach. Branches of geography based on systematic approach. Next, branches of geography based on systematic approach. Branches of geography based on systematic approach. There are the two branches of the geography: physical geography and human geography. The physical geography and human geography. The father of the physical geography is Posidonius, and the father of the human geography is Reid. In physical geography, we study about the all these physical features like that, like all these relief, mountain, plateau, soil, and atmosphere, etc. And human geography we study about the relationship between the nature and environment. Now here are the sub branches of the physical geography: geomorphology, climatology, hydrology, soil geography. The sub branches of the human geography: social and cultural geography, historical geography, economic geography, political geography, population and the settlement geography. The first here the in geomorphology, the branches of the branch sub branch of the physical geography. In geomorphology, we study about the origin of the reliefs like mountain, plateau, plains, and here the process of origin of these relief, and here many the development of the all these relief. In geomorphology we study about this. Next, in climatology we study about the climate, weather and the atmospheric condition, etc. In hydrology we study about the oceans, rivers, deltas, and the creature found in the water. In soil geography we study about the type of the soil like black soil, laterite soil, red soil, etc. And here the fertility of the soil. Next, in human geography we study about the social and the cultural geography. All these here the living style, lifestyle of the human, etc. In historical geography we study all these here the historical geography. In history, the geographical facts. In economic geography, all these here activity, primary, secondary, tertiary. All political geography, all these boundaries. And in population geography, we study about the population density, population distribution, etc. And in settlement geography, all the settlement like urban and the rural settlement of the human. Next, here the interface found in human geography and physical geography. Here the one branch help to study in other branch. So here this point of view interface, we can also classify other branches of the geography, like here the zoology, plant geography, ecology, environmental geography, In zoology we study about the all these creatures found on the surface. Plant geography, all these plants here the in ecology, food chain, etc. In environmental geography, all this pollution, why the about the pollution, and pollution is the unbeneficial for us, and to many measures to protect the pollution. Many other type of here relationship between human and here the nature, physical study in the this these sub branches here these sub branches are the join of the interface of human and the physical geography. One branch help to the other branch in study of geography. Clear?